Yogastubhav, myself Yogi Buddhadev. And today I am going to tell you something about Shri Yogastu Vidya. As you know, in my previous video, we talked about the Yogasana, that is Satsang with the yogis. In this very video, I am going to reveal you a fact. Though I have been talking about being Yogast, the state of Yogast, the meaning of Yogast, the interpretation of Yogast, what are the ramifications of being Yogast, and today I am going to tell you something about Shri Yogastu Vidya. Shri Yogastu Vidya, as I say, this is the supreme science of yoga. Yes, this is the supreme science of yoga, and based on the wisdom of eternal yoga. As eternally we breathe, we think, we live, in the same manner we must be living eternally in a yogic state. That is Yogasthita. And the science by which we live in the eternal state of yoga is Shri Yogastu Vidya. Yogasthita, as you know, I have talked about Yogast, being Yogast many times. Today I am going to tell you something very different and very practical as well. As you know, this is the time of Corona culture, the pandemic, and everybody is really afraid of, everybody is nervous, everybody is really puzzled and very, very worried and anxious. What would happen? The doctors are saying now that if you have a good immunity, if you have boosted your immunity, you are less likely to be affected and to be infected by this virus. You know the WBC's role in the body. What do WBCs do? WBC, as you know, white blood cells. They enable you to fight against any bacteria, viruses, diseases, antigens, which are ready to invade your body anytime. So doctors are saying if you have a good immunity, if you have a good immune system, the boosted immunity, so you can fight such viruses, such bacteria. In the same way, in this worldly life, you are faced with many other viruses and bacteria, which I would name like the virus of emotional disturbances, the virus of your professional life, the virus of your social maladies, the virus of your daily up and down in the life, and many other such viruses, which really make a upheaval in your life, which disturb your state of being, the state of being that is Yogasthita. The original state of our being is of peace, bliss, creativity, wisdom, compassion, and love. But time to time, while just living in the world, we are faced with such viruses and bacteria, and we just lose our center. We remain no more in our balance and equilibrium. We time to time go off the center, and we fall victim to these viruses and bacteria, which ultimately cause pain and suffering. Yogasthita, or being Yogast, is the ultimate of everything. Even in the scriptures it is said, Samatvam Yoga Uchyate. Samata, living in the equilibrium or balance, is the yoga, is the real yoga. So, WBC, what do they do for the body, you know? Likewise, being in the yogas or state of Yogasthita, there are ingredients like peace, freedom, love, compassion, bliss. But there are three main ingredients, which are wisdom, bliss, and creativity. Wisdom, that is W. W stand for wisdom, B stand for bliss, and C stand for creativity. So if you are full of wisdom, bliss, and creativity, the WBCs of your spiritual life, then you can win over the game of life. You can fight against the bacteria and viruses that disturb your life now and then. Every time they disturb you, they take you off your center and all. So please join the Yogasana, join the Yogas Foundation, and come to the Shri Yogast Vidyashala Rishikesh, where we teach the science, the supreme science of yoga, Shri Yogast Vidya. So Shri Yogast Vidya is all about being Yogast. Shri Yogast Vidya is all about remaining in center. Shri Yogast Vidya is all about the highest state of your consciousness. Yogast.